Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today I am standing before you to tell some interesting things regarding our life. Dear students, it is very important for us to use our sense organs properly and for the benefits of ourselves and for the society. In this regard, I would like to explain you about the life of Helen Keller. Life of Helen Keller. Okay. Life of Helen Keller. Here she has written 3 days to sea. 3 days to sea is an extract from her autobiography Life of Helen Keller. Dear students, we all have sensuousness of beauty, and this sensuousness of beauty comes through imagination, inspiration, motivation, and through our interest regarding the gift of God or by the gift of nature, which are available all around us to give us happiness, comforts, and some important metals, non-metals, and many other things that is useful for our life. How you enjoy it, how you go through it, and how you feel touching them, watching them, and listening them. So how will you go to see them? If someone asks you, how do you feel by touching the leaves of a plant? There may be different kind of explanations, or there may be different kind of experience regarding the touching of the leaves. So it's very interesting, dear students. Helen Keller was disabled. She was blind, and it is been noticed by her parents when only she was 19 months old. But she did not leave the hope. Her parents did not leave the hope, and she started her schooling, though she could not able to study all the things in proper way, because if someone is blind, if someone is deaf, and if someone is dumb, means if you can't speak, if you can't see, and if you can't hear, then you have different kinds of disability in your body, and your sense organs are not working properly. In this way, it is very difficult for anyone to understand it. Okay, so see the how she faced her problems in her life. She did not leave the hope through the help of her teacher, Mrs. Sullivan. She graduated in 1904 from the Radcliffe College, and she had her degree of graduation. Think how it is possible, how hard worker she was. So life of Helen Keller, it is being extracted by the Helen Keller herself, and she wrote 3 days to see. 3 days to see. It's not an easy task, But however, first day, second day, and third day. She wishes from God to see the whole world. Okay. So it is very important, dear students, to know all about the life of Helen Keller. My dear students, as I mentioned you, she was blind, deaf and dumb. But however, once there was a question in her mind, and she asked her close friends when she returned from wood. She asked her, "What did you see there?" She replied, "Nothing. Nothing was interesting and exciting when she returned from her journey." She laughed and said, "How it is possible? You went there, you wandered, you roamed, and after the journey, when I asked you, you said you see or had seen nothing in your journey." Then she hoped, if I had the eyes, if I had given eyes to see the whole world, I will ask the God, give me only 3 days. 3 days to see. And she planned what is being seen by her in the first day. So she planned to see, first call her friends to see them, to touch them and to feel them and interact with them and enjoy all the day. She will make merrymakings, play different kinds of games, and she will also enjoy having the company of those friends. And second day, at the evening of the first day, she desires and wishes to touch the leaf of the plant, and she will experience and she will share her experience. How did it please her, and how did it give pleasures to her? By watching closely and touching softly to the tender part of the leaf. All the words you want to see within these given 3 days. And in the first day, what did I say is completed. Very next day, she planned to go to the theater, and she also wished to see the rest of the day to her house and the things that is available in a house and their utility and their usefulness for the life. So human beings should be grateful to the God, the sense organs given to them. And she will go to the theater and she will see the movie and enjoy it. She will watch keenly to those characters who perform their role in the theater. theater and she will experience it and share it to her friends and family. Very next day, third day is very busy day for her, and she is thinking that it is it's not a very simple thing to admire because it is very busy day, and however she would like to take the notices of each and everything. What did she seen? What did she see in those 2 days? She will enrich them. She will remember the God of gift of the God. She will also find herself in a very happy and joyful mood that it is the gratefulness of God that He has given us senses, and these senses are useful, and human beings should be proud of it. See, in these 3 days, she watches, she hear, and she listen the sweet music of the birds and other animals. She would also like to see the rivers, sea, sky, stars, and the warm sun, its light for the life, moon, stars, everything. She also wishes to go to the woods and see the leaves, fruit, flowers, and humming sound of the bees and birds. She also see the beauty of nature, how it all very interesting and exciting for her life, and she enjoyed it very luckily. She thought of that people, those who have the sense organs are very lucky, and luckily, unluckily she did not have, but the last day she has to be blind again, and she hopes same from the other people that they should feel and imagine that they are blind for a day, and they should think of the bird, that how it all happened and how they experience being blind, deaf, and dumb. So in this class, dear students, I gone through the topic. I request you to go through the topic and read it and find that how it all happened to you and share your experience with others. So have a nice day. Thank you for the day.